Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Happymodel Mobula6 HD. So inside the box we have some accessories, screwdriver, propellers, clipboard, cable for the clipboard, prop remover, and some screws. And then we have a USB charger, four batteries, and the usual Happymodel user guide. And then we have here the Mobula6 itself. The frame is still the same as the Mobula6 frame. The motors are 0802 19,000 kV, similar to the Mobula6, but the bell design is different. The Canopy seems to be the one used with the Larva X. And this is the start of the show, the Runcam Split 3 Lite. It's capable of 1080p 60 fps recording. Let's take a look under the canopy. So here's the camera module. It's connected via a stranded cable to the DVR board. And then we have the control button, the clicker port, and then the SD card slot. So this is the VTX antenna from the FC. Under the DVR board is the Crazy BF4 Lite, the same as the Mobula6. They routed the RX antenna at the bottom. So we have the camera connector here, the motor connectors, and the USB connector. There's a provision for an external RX and another spare UART. It has a solid pin JST-PH connector for 1S batteries. Let's weigh it. So it's 27.3 grams. That's amazing considering that just a few years ago, brushed whoops weigh around this much. So this is the Armor 65 Lite, and it weighs 25 grams, so not so light anymore. And this is just a regular FPV camera without a DVR. This one's already HD, and it has a DVR. 27.3 grams. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Happymodel Mobula6 HD. It's amazing how fast and far development has gone for these tiny whoops, and I hope you're as excited as I am. Thank you for watching.